Good morning, kids. So let's go on with the English alphabet, and today we'll learn the letter R. Here, R. So the pronunciation is R, but the sound is R. We have the capital letter and small letter. I will send you the activity about the letter R by email and on the CISO app. Hello again, kids. So this is the second video about the letter R. Let's learn 2 words start with this letter. We have the first, you know that, here, rain. We have here water drops of rain and the word in capital letters and small letters. Rain, pioggia, rain, pioggia. So, what happened after the rain? We have rainbow, l'arcobaleno, rainbow. So, here the image and the word in capital letters and small letters. Of course, you cannot recognize the rainbow because you have to color it. Okay, kids? Bye bye.